Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be detailing this 2003 Mercedes ML320. Look how dirty this is, bro. Wow. Rear bumper needs some love. So we have a little tight space to work with, but yeah. It's been sitting for a couple years. The interior is not too bad. No mode. I had made sure to take care of that. No mode on the seats. A little mode going on right here. I lied. So let's go ahead, spray some water, get all this stuff up, soak it, detail it, clean the rims, and yeah. So you guys kick back and enjoy.